Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Here is a quick tutorial on how to download and install Dubzel app on your phone. Make sure to watch the video till the end. It's really easy and you can do it in just few steps. So now let's hop into the tutorials. First, open Google Play Store. You can see this page. There you can see the search bar on the top of the screen. Search for Dubzel app. Here you can see the Dubzel app has been popped on the screen. Select that. Then tap install button which is right next to its name. You can see the app has been installing. Wait for a few seconds, let it install. Now the app has been successfully installed. You can also check the app on your home screen to make sure it has been installed. You can see mine on the home screen. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope this was helpful and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.